Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We got a lot of news going on today. One of them, obviously, is the unemployment numbers. We got about 5 minutes until opening bell, so let's go over our let's go over our daily newsletter here. As you guys can see, unemployment claims. Jobless claims jumped over 50,000 from the previous week. Initial jobless claims for the past week, 898,000 versus 825,000 that were estimated. Prior was 840,000. So quite a bit more claims than were expected. The market's pulling back quite heavily. Stock futures are down. Dow futures are down about 330 points right now. S&P 500's down about 41. NASDAQ's down about 182. Obviously, upgrades, the cars, used cars, that's doing pretty well. Downgrades are going to be the banks, Duke Energy, Con Edison, Roku. Everything's pulling back, though, in the markets today. So everything's going to be pretty red. So what I want you guys to focus in on today, obviously, United Health, they increased their price target from 370 to 373. I want you guys to focus in on SPY, though. Let's take a look at the SPY chart here. What's really important is watching this 10-day simple moving average. If we start dropping below this 10-day simple moving average today, that's when I'm going to be buying some more puts and looking for a further retracement here in the markets. That's really important. So keep that in mind and prepare yourself for today for some volatility. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, guys, so we got a few minutes until opening bell here. Prepare yourself for today. If we do start crossing below that 10, we'll close out any longs. I like DocuSign. That's a good one, though, going into the election, going into this volatility in the market. Your stocks that usually start to climb, your Zoom, your Netflix, we'll keep an eye on that. As you guys can see at the bottom of the screen there, our watch list is Zoom, Netflix, Goldman Sachs, Procter & Gamble, Walmart, SPY, Qs, and the Diamond ETF. So today, especially this first half hour of the day, I want to focus on SPY. That's what we're going to be watching today. If I see any breaking news that we can make some quick day trades on, I'll let you guys know and we'll make some day trades. But I think today what our focus is going to be on is trading the cycles here in the SPY on a today 1 minute chart. So once the market's open, I'll change this to a today 1 minute, and we got to watch that level. 342.75. Make sure you guys are watching that level. 342.75, because if we drop below that, I think we're going to continue possibly down to about 337 to 336. If you guys have any questions, let me know on YouTube, let me know in the trade room, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. And yesterday's class was a perfect example. We were talking about the trade plan, the cycles and the phases, and about that first candle below the previous candle's body there, how that's showing signs of further retracement. And those of you that were watching yesterday's class was great. Let me put on our CNBC here. Put up that volume a little bit. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says Supreme Court Justice Barrett has the votes for Senate confirmation. That is breaking news there. I'll share that in the trade room. Let's see what else is going on. Eli Lilly announces agreement to acquire Disarm Therapeutics for upfront payment of $135 million. And they may be eligible for $1.225 billion in future payments. CNBC reports Citigroup Vice Chairman Ray McGuire is leaving the company to run for mayor of New York. Dr. Fauci says letting the coronavirus spread to achieve herd immunity is nonsense and extremely dangerous. That's coming up on the news wires here. Share those in the trade room. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Less than a minute here. We'll give it at the first 15 minutes. See if we continue lower or see if we get a bounce off that 10-day simple moving average. A German Bund. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Here is opening bell. Let's change SPY to today 1 minute. Dow's down 324, Nasdaq's down 191, S&P's down about 46. Let's give it the first 5-10 minutes here, see what SPY's going to do, and we'll look for some day trades here.
Initiation with a buy rating at Aegis. That's FRSX.
Is anyone having any problems with E-Trade Pro? As you guys can see, look at the clock here. It's something's going on. These damn platforms.
50% at the high. STAF.
All right, it says E-Trade Pro is not responding properly. I gotta close this program down. Let me restart this, guys. Hold on one sec.